Okay, next one up, a returning client with his lovely BMW R1250RS. This is going to get one of our full Monty valets. He did have it done in November, but is his daily workhorse, so she's a little dirty. So we're going to do a full valet on this, get rid of all this rust and corrosion on bits and pieces. We will then cover it in XCP corrosion protection, get all that exhaust all detarred and polished up. Luckily it is a mag wheel model, so we don't have any spokes to clean or polish, but we're going to get everything else minted, get some protection on it. This is a 2019 model. Like I said, it is his daily workhorse. I'll get the light out, we'll have a look at the paintwork when I'm finished. He didn't want any paint correction, but we'll have a look at it. Might throw a bit in for him, as it's such a lovely model. Let's get cracking. There you go, 2 hours and 30 minutes on the dot. This BMW R1250RS has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This had one of our legendary full Monty valets, Snowfoam safe wash, degreased, decontaminated, mirror polished up all that exhaust, got all the old tar off of there, all up underneath. Everything's been XCP'd afterwards, touched up a few rusty bits and pieces. Just did a single stage machine polish on the bodywork. Look at the gloss on that, absolutely gleaming. Good old BMW's got some nice paintwork. All done, 2.5 hours. Get yours booked in now. Open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.